Hello everyone, this is the tutorial on how to open the door in Unreal Engine. When you press A and stay near the door, the character will walk to the door and then open the door. We use IK to control the arm and the leg of the character, and when the character is at the opposite of the door, she rotates to the door and then open the door. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and thank you. First, let's go to Content folder. Right click, add new folder, name it Animation, and then go to our animation folder. You can download this animation. I will put the link in the description below, or you can download it from the mixamo website. But I modified this animation a little bit to fit our open door. Go to Content, then new folder, name it Door. Open this folder, right click, Blueprint class, create a new actor, name it BP Door. Add box collision, and for this box collision, Z location is -33, box extent is 200, for X, Y 304, and Z is 128. Click on default scene root, add new scene component, name it LOC, shortcut for location. For the Z value is -28. All this value is not the fixed value, you can adjust it later. Click on default scene root, add scene, name it front point. Location, X is 10, Y is 58.4, and Z is -123.3. Duplicate this scene component, name it back point. For X is -5, Y -27.2, and Z is -123.3. Click on default scene root, add new scene component, name it door root. For the door root, X is -60.3, Y is 0, and Z is 0. And then click on door root, add static mesh. This static mesh, name it door. And this door, X is 56.4, the scale is 0.45, Y is 0.015, Z is 0.9525. Choose the static mesh, search for cube, use this cube static mesh, and this is our door. Click on the door, add static mesh, name it handle, and duplicate this handle, name it handle 1. For handle, X is 109, Y is 392.7, Z is -23, and for the scale, X is 0.13, Y is 5.96, Z is 0.06, and choose static mesh, find the cube, and we get our handle. For handle 1, go to the first handle, copy this location and paste it to handle 1. The Y location is minus 384.3. The scale X is 0.13, Y 5.96, and Z is. For the static mesh, choose the cube and we get handle 1. Click on handle, add scene component, name it handle LOC2. Duplicate this and name it handle LOC. For handle 1, add scene component, name it handle 1 LOC. This location is used to modify the IK of the hand. To adjust the location of the hand to the handle, click on the door, add scene component, name it hand place. For the handle location 2, set it to 59.7, 7.68, 93.43. Handle location X is minus 30.3, Y is 59.34, and Z is 121.8. Scale, set it all to 1. Handle 1 location X is minus 32.59, Y is minus 24.88, Z is 54.91, and the scale is 1. For hand place scene component, X is 118.6, Y is 136, and Z is 0. The scale is 1. Go to door folder, right click, create the material, name it M blue. Open this material, create the color, and then choose blue color, a little bit dark blue, and use this color for the door. Create another material, name it M green. Choose the color green, and for the handle, use this color. Duplicate this material, name it M red. Choose red color. Use this red color for another side of our handle. Go to our scene, search for nail mesh bound volume. Drag this bound volume. For the scale X, modify it to cover the scene. You can click on show navigation. Now we get the navigation path. Disable it by click on navigation again. Delete this static mesh. Get our BP door inside the scene. Move it up, then rotate it 90. Add a hook and scale it to the shape of the wall. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Disable the snapping grid. For the Y, scale it up. Move it again. Click on this SM cube. Search for the material. Use this gray material for our static mesh. Go to our door, right click, create blueprint interface, BPI door. Open this blueprint interface. Name the new function to set new door. Then for the input, add new input. Name it door. For the variable type is BP door. Then select object reference. Compile and save. Go to third person character, class setting, add BPI door to the interface. For the interface, double click on set new door. Promote the door to variable. Get door variable. Call is valid. And if it is valid, get character movement and set max walk speed. We want the character to slow down when they are standing near the door. 230 and set it back to 500 when we far from the door. Go to BP door. For event graph, get player character, cast to third person character, and promote this to variable. Name it player. Delay for 0.2 seconds and create a new custom event. Name it is overlap door and call this is overlap door. Create a new custom event. Name it attach right mouse. Add new variable. Name it right hand. Promote it to variable. Name it right hand and click on the box collision. Add component begin overlap. Get player character and call equal. Connect other actor to the equal. Create a branch. Other actor call set new door message. Make it to true. And for the door is safe. When the overlap, add new. On component, add overlap box. Other actor or set new door. And the door we leave it empty. Custom event. Name it set collision door. Add new input. Name it collision. Create a branch. Get door, handle 1 and handle static mesh. Set collision enable. When it's true, set collision enable to query and physics. Connect it to the target. And when it's false, set collision enable to no collision. Connect it to target. For our is overlap door, get box collision and call get overlapping actors. Create for each loop and array element is equal. Get player character and create a branch. Connect the loop body to the branch, and then if it equal to player character for the array element, call set new door, and the door is safe. Go to third person character blueprint, and for the key E, scroll down, click on E, and when we press get mesh, get anim instant is any multiplying, and create an boolean, add new variable, name it walk to door, get walk to door, and call not boolean, make it to n, create a branch, connect press to the branch, and if it falls, get door, and call is valid. If it is valid, we get character movement and set rotation rate to that is 320. Connect is valid to the rotation rate. And we want to know that the character is at the front of the door or at the back of the door. So add new function, name it near front or back. Get player character, get location, split it, get door, and get actor location, split the value, and get door static mesh, and get forward vector, split it. The y location, subtract it with the y location of the door, and the x location of the character, subtract it with the x location of the door, call dot product of vector, split these two vectors, get the x of the character and y of the character, dot product it with the door static mesh x and y, multiply it with the subtraction of x value, compare it less than, connect these two to less than, call return node, connect the near front or back to the return node, connect the boolean to the return node. Click on pure function. Now get near front or back function and create a branch. Add new variable, name it door in. Set the variable to false if it is from front. Set the variable to true if it is from the back. Get player controller, call simple move to location, get door, and get back point, get where location, connect it to the goal, copy this, and if it's true, we get front point, connect it to get where location, delete the back point, get door, call set collision door to false. If it falls, we set the collision to true. Call delay for 0.2 seconds, both of it, and set walk to door to true. Set walk to door to true. For event tick, get walk to door and create a branch, get velocity and vector length. If it less than 0, create a branch. If it's true, or do 1 because we don't want player to press E double time. Create a custom event. Name it redo door. Connect it to reset. Get door in and create a branch. When it complete, connect it to the branch. Create a custom event. Name it open door in. Create another custom event. Name it open door out. When it's true, we call open door in, and when it's false, open door out. When we press E, the character go to the door. But when we press E, we still can walk different direction or jump. So we have to disable this. Go back to our third person character blueprint. On the input forward backward, get walk to door, then create a branch and connect fail to the add movement input. When we are walking to the door, we not add the movement input. Get walk to door. Next fail to add movement input. And for the jump input, get mesh, get anim instant, and call is any montage playing. Create a branch, and if it falls, get walk to door and create a branch. Connect fall to jump. Let's play. When we press E, now we can add the input of the character. Get door, variable, call is valid. For the door, we get front point. If it is valid, set transform. Split the transform, connect the front point, get world location, connect it to the new transform location. We get the rotation, actor rotation, connect it to new transform rotation. Copy this. We change the front point to the back point. Connect it to get world location. And for the rotation, split it, add it with 180. Rotator, connect X to X, Y to Y, and Z to Z. Connect it to the transform rotation. Create a new custom event. Play montage. And after we set the actor rotation, call play montage. Call play montage event. Get door in and create a branch. Go to the animation. For open door invert, right click, create any montage, and open door outward, create any montage, and enable the root motion. For open door outward, enable the root motion too. Call play montage. and get mesh, connect it to in skeleton mesh component. Montage to play is open door invert, and when it's false, connect open door outward to the montage to play. It's not play the montage because this open door event is not called, and because the get velocity and the vector length is less than or equal. Play, and we have the wrong rotation of the play montage. Get the actor rotation and make the rotator at the Z value to 90, connect it to the transform rotation, and it is minus 90. And for the open door out, try it 90. That's it. We still have the clipping, get capsule component, and get half height, make vector, split the world location, like x to x, y to y, and capsule half height to z. Like it to new transform. For these two, we get capsule component, get capsule half height, make vector, and split the world location x to x, y to y, and capsule half height to z. Make it to new transform location. Set the collision to false for door in. And after we play the montage, set walk to door to false on complete. And when it complete, call redo door. Both of it. Go to door blueprint. For the animation, we create a custom event. Name it rotate door in. Add a timeline. Name it door rotate in. Connect it to play from start. Open it. And for the flow track, we add the flow track. We name it to the rotation. The length is 3.84. And this is the curve of our door rotation in. The first, you can modify it when you play the animation, and create a new timeline. Name it door rotation out, and this is the curve of this door rotation out. Rotate door in, and then multiply it with minus 90. Make rotator, connect it to yaw, get door root, set relative rotation, connect the rotator to the new rotation, create a new custom event. Name it rotate door out. Connect it to play from start. Multiply it with minus 90. Then make rotator. Connect the yaw, get door root, set relative rotation, and update. Connect it to set relative rotation. For open door invert, add notify, montage notify, add the 26 frame, move it, and 2.5 seconds. Open door outward, montage, add notify, montage notify, add 26 frame. Second is 0.8 seconds. For our third person character, when we play the montage and notify begin, call get door, call rotate door in, and notify begin, get door, call rotate door out. For the camera not clipping like that, we have to go to our static mesh, search for collision, use custom collision, ignore the camera, and this one use custom collision and ignore the camera. And for the door, do the same, search for collision and choose custom, ignore the camera, and the handle, ignore the camera, and another handle. Play test. Now it's aligned with our animation. And for the next tutorial, we will create the leg IK that can rotate the character, not snapping like that. And thank you much for watching, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you very much, and see you in the next tutorial.